Hey, so in this video, I'm just going to show you real quick how you can process your order from Etsy. So this is an order I put through my Etsy shop just to make sure everything's working okay, because I wanted to actually see how it works with the name necklaces. And what you do is you go into your orders here on the right and you see this screen. Then all you need to do, you can see it's on hold because it says personalization's invalid. So you just click it and it'll take you into the actual order. Then it says fix personalizations. So you click that. And then right in here, you see change personalization action required. There's an error. So fix now. And then I'm just going to put that with her name. And then save changes. And now it's updated. And then I'll close this. And then I'm going to hit reload. See if it took it. That's good to go. Okay, there's no more errors, so let's go back to the orders. Let's go all orders, awaiting payment, so let us pay for that one. So let's go to, oh, I could have just went pay all. Let's go back. Up here, just do pay all. And then we will do PayPal, and we'll pay. And then it is in production, so you're ready to go. So that's how easy it is. Just click on it, follow the instructions, and enter the name. And that one came through from Etsy, so that gives you an idea of how you do it through Etsy. Very simple, very easy to do. And I plan on doing that a couple thousand more times in my lifetime, so this is awesome. These custom name necklaces kick butt. I can't wait to sell the crap out of them. And let's go. Let's do it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Have a great day.